All right, if I was going to build 6sense Lite, try to piece together my stack as a Series A or Series B startup, here's what I would use. First, I would build on top of Apollo as my core prospecting data set. That's where what I would use to identify accounts and companies. Zoom Info is kind of expensive, and they prioritized fill rates of fields over quality of the data in the fields. But they sometimes it's good to have high fill rates of fields. But anyway, early stage, Apollo's great choice. Second thing you need in your stack is a way of identifying website visitors. For that, you're going to want to use a tool called Koala, getkoala.com. It's built by an ex-Dropbox, ex-Segment engineer who's amazing, my boy Tito. And they are built on top of Clearbit Reveal. You get a sweet deal using them on Clearbit Reveal's data, up to, I think, 10,000 visitors per month. And not only do they tell you who's visiting your website, but they also help you identify scores based off of pages that are being visited. And they're about to roll out something called marketing dashboards, which allows you to identify sort of sources of traffic and slice and dice your data in interesting ways, so you can start doing attribution of marketing campaigns, not just by sort of form submits, but also by website visitors, which in this day and age of cookie-based attribution going out the window is a more and more important way of being able to optimize and understand our ROAS for B2B, right? Long sales cycles. The next piece of the puzzle you need is some way of identifying and scoring accounts at a firmographic level. So what Koala does is it tells you sort of some degree of intent of your visitors, but then you need to be able to actually identify accounts that really matter. And for that, I would use a tool like Keyplay, especially if you're targeting software companies, because they allow you to basically set up your own sort of scoring algorithm for companies. They allow you to filter by an incredible range of attributes. They figured out how to scrape G2, amongst other sources. So in order to kind of have a 6sense Lite, you need the following things, right? You need one, firmographic, detailed firmographic data to say who's a good fit account at a firmographic level. You need some degree of intent data to say where people are in their buying stage. So you got Koala for that. And then you need to be able to identify the contacts of those accounts, which are, you can do through Apollo. And then maybe, if you're interested, the fourth thing you could use is Primer as a way to reach those accounts across multiple channels. So you could push them dynamically from your CRM or other sources into HubSpot, into LinkedIn, into Facebook, into Google, with high match rates, so you can reach those people and serve the contacts at those accounts, ads or email, have their high fill rate of valid emails and phone numbers, so that your sales team can reach them. And when you combine those four tools together on top of a CRM, you have a kind of modern B2B go-to-market motion that's kind of hacked together and much cheaper alternative to 6sense. Give it a shot.